Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Excited to be coming back out to the Oklahoma City area for Become Google Great. Now we're going to be doing this session on Thursday, August 27th. It's going to be from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. You're going to earn 3 hours of Oklahoma CE credit as well. In person, please RSVP is going to fill in, and we're probably going to sell out the facility, so we definitely need to make sure you RSVP. Zoomers, you can join us online. This is, of course, hosted by ReMax at Home, and I look forward to bringing this class out. Now, bring your laptops on this because I had a recent attendee do 5 minutes worth of work, got a lead 24 hours later, ended up closing on that lead for a $2.1 million deal. You do not want to miss this class. So be ready to apply these techniques for your business and watch your business take off. This is going to be on Thursday, August 27th. From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., but we need you to RSVP. We'll see you then. Thanks.